everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to reveal the items that I've purchased from Louis Vuitton Chapter 2 Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossoms collection. Oh my gosh, this is totally unexpected, guys. So on my previous video, I spoke about my in-store experience, and on that day, the day on its launch, March 21st, I wasn't able to get anything. I went home with nothing. And lucky enough, the sales associate was able to help me place an order through an in-store app. So anyway, here are some of the items. I was very, very excited. Last Saturday, the day after its launch, I checked the app and it says right there, preparing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It says preparing, like really? So I didn't really expect that I was able to get all of these sooner. I was expecting that I have to wait a few months or so. So anyway, I was able to see that, and then I got a ready for collection. So I went to the store to pick it up, and the sales associate actually showed me each of these items just to make it sure if these are the exact items that I've ordered. So finally, I got the Murakami packaging. We have the ribbon. We have the tag, the super flat tag right here. Wow, this is so pretty. I actually ordered this to be picked up in store. And I'm not really sure if I would have this one shipped to my address. I will get the packaging. So that's what I did. So anyway, let me start with this small package right here. Wow, I love it. I mean, the packaging alone is so pretty. Right here. All right. So this is actually a true unboxing. So I just only got a glimpse of this at the store, and wow. All right, so the first item is, so right here we have a tissue paper, not the multicolored tissue paper, just the regular paper. And then the first item is, so this is, okay, wow. So we have, wow, look at that. We have the Cherry Blossom Bandeau. So this one is in the size BB. I guess you guys are all familiar with the sizing. Okay, wow, look at that. So let me give you a closer look. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Wow, very, very nice. So this one is actually made up of 100% silk. And as you guys could see right there, the background, it's the monogram, which is also pink. It's a little bit muted. And wow, look at the cherry blossoms all around it. And let's take a look at the back. So the back is more of like, yeah, it is just a plain monogram though. So yeah, so only on one side that has a flowers right here, right there, and then the other side is just plain. Okay, wow, this is so pretty. I love it. So this one also came in with the other color as well, which is more of a tan color or brown. So the background is brown, and I think that the cherry blossoms is a little bit more distinctive on that. But I opt into getting the pink color because, wow, pink is gorgeous. They are absolutely stunning. Very lovely. And I think there's a product information over here. It's right here. It's M94969. And this one is actually priced as $240. Wow, I can't believe it. So I also wanted to get the tan or brown as well, but that one, it's not available. We've tried several times, and this is the only one that's available. And when you come to think of it, I also wanted to get the 10 as well because the price is $240. I mean, can you believe that? Just to get a little piece, a piece from this collection for $240, I think it's worth it. So pretty. Just the bandeau itself, it's so pretty. Moving on to the next item. Okay, so let me just get the other one. Right here, another lovely packaging. And, okay. So this one, all right. Are you guys ready? Okay. This one has a dust bag. I guess you guys already have an idea. Right here, regular dust bag. And we have, oh my gosh. So this is, wow. This is the item that was actually taken away from me during its launch date. Oh my gosh. I got to enjoy her at the store for a few minutes before it has been taken away. But oh my gosh, this is actually my second favorite of the collection. So oh my gosh, this is my second top pick. Oh my gosh, look at that cherry blossom right there. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Look at those smiley face. And then this one is actually debossed. This one is made up of leather. So let me just show you. So this one right here, so a closer look of it. So as you guys can see right there, this one is actually raised. That's because this is more likely, I would say, a patch, a leather patch, and they just stitch it right through the card. I love the fact that this is not a screen printed. And this one is actually priced as $495 US, and it's totally worth it. Wow. The color is so vibrant. Look at that. Wow, the contrast between the classic monogram and the pink right here, the light pink with the yellow and green color are absolutely stunning. Wow, it's so pretty right here. And then the back is just plain, and the interior, this one has 2 card slots outside, and then there's one right here inside. And I'm not really sure, this is more of like a mint green color. I mean, what do you guys think about the interior lining, the mint green? So I think it looks great. I was hoping and I was expecting that this is going to be pink as well. Oh my gosh. But with the mint green, I think they look great. I really thought it looks great. And then this one right here, the interior is actually green, lined with green color in a cowhide leather. And then we have the Murakami stamp right here, 20th year anniversary celebration. Beautiful, beautifully done. Wow, I can't believe it. I still can't believe that my items get fulfilled this quick. It's not even a week, guys. And yeah, very pretty. It has some glazing around it. Wow. Oh my gosh. I was so happy that I was able to get this beauty right here. Okay, so next, last but not the least, so we have, this one is actually came in with a large box, and let me show you what I've got right here. I am also excited for this. And this one we actually tried a couple of times to order this, and it went through the second time around, and I was very, very happy. I have here the third item. Wow. This is a Cherry Blossom Square 70. Wow. Wow. This is so unexpected. Look at that. The colors are so vibrant right here. So this one is made up of silk as well. Oh, very nice. I already know what to do with this. Definitely I'm going to frame it. But at the moment I have my Hermes. Actually, that one I've actually framed that. I think I have the horse, I believe. But definitely I am going to frame this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at that. So this is just similar to the Bandeau right here. So like I said, the Bandeau is around $240 and this one is $410 US, and it's definitely worth it. So this one is also available with the tan color or brown, and you could literally see the cherry blossoms better. What I meant was that the cherry blossoms are more distinctive. It stood out just because of the background. And this one is so pretty with the Louis Vuitton monogram background. It is all around it, as well as the cherry blossom and the petals right here. So pretty. Look at that. And this side as well, right here. This one is very well done. And let me just take a look at the back. Oh, so the back is just like this. It's just a reflection from the other side. So anyway, those are my 3 items for this collection, and I think I was very, very lucky though. I totally did not expect this. And I also have several items that were still it says pending order validation, and I don't know when that item gets fulfilled. I don't know. I literally don't know when that gets fulfilled. It still says pending order validation, but with what I've got right now, I am pretty happy. I'm pretty happy that I was able to get some of these cherry blossoms for this collection, guys. Very lovely, especially the card holder. Look at that. Totally worth it. Oh my goodness. So anyway, these are some of the items that I've got from the cherry blossoms collection. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.